Welcome to another episode of Talking with Ninaj. We have cocaine and water. We should make a caramel sauce for the pudding first. So we put the sugar on fire and we let it stay for a bit. This is a medium temperature fire, and we just mix for some time. And then you see it's gonna become roasted and it's gonna melt. You can see a little bit over there. See, started already, and then everything is gonna be roasted. It's not sugar anymore. Okay, we're done here. And then add water and turn off the fire. And then we need to go fast in this part. Now we let it rest. So let's make the pudding.
We need 3 eggs.
We need condensed milk.
And milk here, it's powder milk. This is condensed milk you can buy from any international store from the Latin section. And then we should add the entire cup. The box have 395 grams. 395 grams. And then we add the milk powder, 3 spoons of powder milk. We put the caramel on the thing we're using to make the form of the caramel so it don't stick. It's also gonna make the outside of the caramel that amber looking crystallized thing on the outside. So we need to paint all the sides. This is how it looks. You can do it in any type of shape you have at home, but we recommend having a medium size for this recipe. And then water in a bowl and put this on the bowl. Yay. Now we put the mixture in the form. Remember, this is a medium size recipe. Now we cover it out with aluminum. It can be any cover. And then wait 40 minutes. And it's ready. 40 minutes await. We have the pudding. Just need to poke a little. We need to make sure it's dry when you're poking with the fork. We must wait this to cool off. And it's done. Pudding. Yay. So we finished the pudding, and as you can see, it's really moist. If you never tried pudding in your life before, it tastes like caramel and milk. But it's like a very strong sweet milk, a sort of candy. I hope that you like it, and if you want to do this at home, beware that the caramel part is a bit dangerous when you put the water on the second part. You can try it if you want. That's it.
So we finished the pudding.